Hey guys, I'm going to be trying this V-part wig that is super beginner friendly, no lace, no glue, you don't have to do too much work, and this texture is Yaki and it looks and feels like my natural hair. So this wig is from MyFirstWig. So MyFirstWig, they make quality wigs for beginners. In the packaging, they give you a flyweight tamer, they give you combs, they give you clips that you need to throw this wig on. So yeah, so the texture is Yaki and the length is 20 inches. This is the details of the hair, and the natural color is 1B. And yeah, so I'm just going to allow you guys to see how I throw on this V-part wig. This hair requires minimal, very minimal leave out, and you don't even have to leave out hair on your edges. And this is a texture up close, and this is what the inside looks like. So it has the clips, the combs, and this is the V-part area. Alright, so my hair is put into braids and I'm getting ready to go out for class. So I'm just going to take out one of the braids and use that part as the leave out area. So yeah, so we're going to be doing just a minimal leave out today. And I'm just going to, yeah, like stop right there and then just braid the rest going back. And the ones in the front is going to be the leave out area. So this is what the edges look like. So you really don't have to leave your edges out. Yeah, so you just need to have a minimal leave out and that's it. So I'm just gonna run my blow dry brush through the hair, and I'm also just going to straighten it. And the hair is already layered, so you're going to see the layers by the time I'm done straightening it. And yeah, so keep on watching. So I really like that this hair is very easy to straighten. Like I really just run my flat iron through the hair like once or twice, and this is what it looks like. I think it blends really well with my natural hair, and the hair is very soft, and I'm really loving the layers.
Yaki straight is one of my favorite textures after kinky straights. I'm actually like, I don't know which one is my favorite, but I think I like both Yaki and kinky straight. Like Yaki texture, I like it because it's like very easy to like straighten. Like I just pass the flat iron like just one or twice, and the hair would just get straight on its own. Easily, so that's good. And I like the nice layers that they give to the hair. As you can see, it has some really nice layers that already came with it, so they did a good job trying to make this wig look like your hair. This is the first time I'm wearing a V-part wig with my hair out. Usually I do like the crochet method, but because this hair really blends my hair, I really wanted to try it out with my hair out, and I really like it. I do. Feeling myself. Let me show you guys the back. My first wig. Okay, so I will leave the link to this hair in the description, and yeah, I'm definitely going to rock this hair. Like, this is a lazy wig. Anyone you want to look cute, I love it.
And that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to check out my first wig. The link to this hair will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.